tutorial on how to upload your team rosters. So uploading team roster is very simple and easy in TapIn Sports, and with just a few steps, you'll be all set up to use your teams and tournaments in the season. So the first thing that you need to do is to log into your account and navigate to your club. So how you can navigate to your club is by clicking on this hamburger menu, going to your organizations. As you can see, it will list down all the clubs, all the leagues, anything that you own in this page. So now you go to your club. You would see a couple of tabs over here. All you need to do is go to the Teams tab. This is where you can upload the team roster. Now you can see that I have two teams in this club. Let's go to this team. We need to navigate to the team and then go to the players tab. Over here, you can see I do not have any players. I can click on invite players, and this is going to open a modal which will ask me to do two things. One is the manual invitation. This is useful for uploading or inviting one player to a team, or one or two players where you already have a team and you just want to invite one or two players. You can simply fill in their details like this manually and then create these players. But if you're uploading a full roster, all you need to do is click on this bulk upload. Yep. Now you can see we have a couple of options over here. One is to upload a custom file, use Google Sheets, or even use our inbuilt Word system. I would recommend using this since this is pretty easy to use, and I'll show you in just a second how to use this. So as you can see over here, we have the first name, date of birth, gender, and jersey number, which is required. Email address and last name are not required. And you can see over here, we have self-validation. If these are in red, that means there's something wrong with the data. So let's go ahead and put something over here. You can see that I have a sample roster. I have first name, last name. Let's go ahead and copy this, put it over here, first name, last name. There you go. Now you can see we still have these red lines over here. This denotes that all four of these players will not be imported. And the reason they're not going to be imported is that because we do not have the date of birth or the required fields that we need to import or create these players. So let's go ahead and add the date of birth and gender. Let's paste this. We have date of birth and gender, and let's also add some jersey number. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now you can see we have all of these as green, and you can see over here as well, we have these four players will be imported. This is green. You need to keep an eye out on this red here. If it's red, that means these players would not be imported. It would also be denoted over here. You can see if any of these, let's say, let me remove this. If any of this is red, that means this data, this line has some issues. I need to work on that. Let me paste this over here. 1 second. All right. So as you can see, now everything is green once I have pasted everything. And we are good to go. Now, all I need to do is click on submit. After checking that everything is working fine, I need to click on submit. And this will automatically create all the players that I have that I've uploaded over here. Now I can create up to as many players I want. I have just 4 players over here as sample, but you can add as many players as you want. Now the players were created successfully. We have this toast message over here. Now I will just refresh the page and see that these players are now added to this club. That's it. And that's how you upload your team roster. Thank you, everyone.